Okay, guys, welcome to the welcome to this video. On this video, I want to show you how the Premium Content Manager plugin works. Specifically, I'm gonna talk to you about the main screen of the Premium Content Manager plugin. Okay, okay. The Premium Content Manager plugin allows you to transform your WordPress website into a profitable business in a few minutes because this plugin allows you to sell your publications to the visitors. Okay, so that the visitors have to pay an access fee in order to see the premium publications. Okay, so if you want to transform your WordPress website into a profitable business in a few minutes, then this plugin is for you because you are going to be able to sell your content. Okay, now as I said, this is the main screen of the plugin, and in this screen you have to enter the description of each premium publication as well as the price of the premium publication. The description of the premium publication can be introduced as HTML markup or plain text. In this case, I am using HTML markup because I want to display a listing of the topics covered in the premium publication. That's the reason why I am using HTML markup. Uh, Another interesting detail is that if you want, you can leave this text field blank or empty. Okay, in other words, the publication description is optional. Okay, and then you have the text field used to display the sorry then you have the text field used to enter the price of the premium publication. Now, it's important to say that if you want to make a premium publication available, if you want to make a publication available for free, then you have to set the price to 0.00 US dollars. Okay, so if you want to make a publication available for free, you have to set the price to 0.00 US dollars. And if I continue scrolling down, you can see that I have several publications here. Okay, each of those publications has its corresponding description and price. And at the very bottom of the screen appears the update settings button. In order, remember that you have to use this button to save the changes to the database. And then at the bottom of the screen appears the navigation section, which can be used to browse the different publications of your website. Okay, and okay, now I'm going to press. Now on the right side of the screen appears the view publication link. The view publication link is used to see a preview of the premium publication, so that you can have a clear idea about a clear idea so that you can have a clear idea on what the visitor is going to see when they arrive to a premium publication. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to press the link view publication so that I can preview the premium publication. So as you can see, this is a premium publication. We have the cover of the cover image. We have the header of the publication, but we also have a strap. Okay, we also have a strap or a section which is hiding the contents of the publication. Okay, and this strap or section, which is hiding the contents of the publication, contains the header premium publication and then the text says get access to the content by making a small payment. And below we have the description of the publication. Okay, remember that this is the description of remember that the description of the publication is very important, because the description of the publication enables the user to know what are the contents of this publication. Okay, so that the user or the visitor can decide whether to purchase the publication or not. Okay, and below the description of the publication, I have the access fee, as well as the buy now button. Okay, and in this case, the price of the publication is $6. Okay, so as you can see, basically the plugin is hiding the contents. Basically, the plugin is hiding the contents of the premium publication. Okay, so basically the plugin is hiding the contents of the premium publication, so that the user or the visitor has to pay a fee in order to access the publication. Okay, well, that's the general idea of this plugin.